gonna just harvest a couple flowers for some tea. Actually, I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with them, but maybe some tea. You wanna come here, right? You wanna come here and you just want to snap it off. So let's find a good flower. This flower here is not quite ready. The flower has to be in full bloom in order for you to be able to eat it. And of course you don't want it so young. Just look at it. So tiny and little. So little and tiny. You need to wait for it to be in full bloom in order for you to harvest the flower off the okra. So let's find a good flower. I'm gonna go over to the other field and grab some because that field is almost dying out. I'm actually gonna take this back too. So it's not in full bloom, but I'm gonna take this one too. Now that we're inside, let's make some hibiscus tea. Okay, let's go. Look at these beautiful edible flowers. Be sure to consume only organic, untreated flowers. Remove the petals like this. The entire flower is edible. However, most people remove the pistil for texture or taste reasons, not safety. Rinse thoroughly. After peeling and rinsing your fresh hibiscus petals, soak them briefly in lemon juice to help naturally clean and sanitize them. The lemon juice is acidic and it will remove the dirt, tiny bugs, or residue. Using about 1.5 cups of fresh okra flower, we're going to pour 4 cups of hot water and allow to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. If you prefer sun tea, let it sit out in the sun for a couple of hours. We're going to strain this with a press. However, you do not need a press for this. You can strain the old-fashioned way. Enhance and brighten that naturally tart aspect of hibiscus tea with a couple of drops of lemon. Adding a bit of cinnamon powder. Adding honey for sweetener. However, you can sweeten with sugar, honey, or guave, whatever your preference. Add as much honey as you'd like and enjoy, or you can also add your favorite fruit to really sweeten it up.